Hi, Eric.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, how are you?
Nice to see you.
Good. Thank you for your time. We are happy to be in your factory. Please tell me about our machine. What's your feelings?
I've owned this machine for 7 years, and it's been a wonderful machine. The service, upkeep, the operation has all been very good for our company and helped us speed up manufacturing. The service has been reliable, and we've been very happy with the relationship that we've built with HARSLE. They respond very quickly, and if we ever have any questions, we have a direct line to the manufacturer to help us understand them.
Good, good. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
Hope to see you again in your factory.
Absolutely.
Thank you. HARSLE, save time, money. Okay, perfect.
HARSLE. Save time, money.